So what is my thoughts about the Nanoleaf Bulb Essentials when I've been testing multiple different bulbs? Are you searching for the best matte bulbs with thread and all those things? Maybe I have here the solution for you. Is it perfect? No. Is it almost perfect? Yes. Is it amazing? Definitely. And I'll have to tell you why. So if you want to know a little bit more about these bulbs, stay tuned until the end of the video. Hi everyone, Marcus here from madpack, and if you love tech and if you love discounts, this is the place for you because everything that you see on the channel have links on the description below. And today we are going to talk once again about Nanoleaf, and this time about their bulbs that I have purchased with my own money, but this is the third episode of 3. I have already reviewed the Nanoleaf wood elements, and I have also reviewed the ones that you have here on the background, the Nanoleaf line. So if you want to see those videos, feel free to check them out, but today we are going to talk about these bulbs. And I had to buy more bulbs for my house, and one of the things that I love it, but in the same time I was a bit disappointed with the Maros, is the amount of customization, if it makes sense. So I was really curious to see Nanoleaf, and I like to see if it's really customizable like it is, for example, these Nanoleaf lines. And since they are not really expensive, since you pay around 60 but you get 3 of this, I wanted to see what was my thoughts about it. Is it good? Is it bad? And since I got them, I simply love it, and I have them installed on my living room, and this one is going to replace the Maros bulb that I have above me that is now turned off for videos purposes. First of all, is it easy to connect to the app? Yes, very, very easy. You just have to basically turn it on, go on the app. It will straight away find out that this bulb is connected, and is super fast. So even if I go on the Apple HomeKit, you're going to see that it's very, very fast. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you already notice, I believe, I don't know because it seems that the colors are not really happening in there. But let's talk about the flaws of this, or basically the only flaw that I really found with this product. So when you have it installed on your Apple HomeKit, it's very simple. You just have to scan the QR code that comes on the sticker or basically on your bulb. But as you can see, now is in green, but now should be a yellow and is not. Now is a green, but this one is also green and is not green. So that was one of the problems that I encountered, or the only real problem that I encountered with this bulb. So when you are on Apple HomeKit and you try to choose one of the 6 options, even if you have set it up, and now let's set it up for blue and save it, change to another color and come back to the blue, now it's working, but let's try again. Now this one is pink, but now let's change to like a reddish color. It should be more orange, but it's more red. And now let's save. I'll change to another color. Let's see if it goes back to red. Now it's working. But sometimes what is happening is, even if this one should be yellow, is not really yellow. And sometimes, even if you have like a blue set it up there, it's not going to recognize. Now it's working, but like I said before, sometimes it doesn't work. But if you use Siri as a voice command, "Hey Siri, turn that to green." "Hey Siri, turn that to blue." "Hey Siri, turn that to yellow." And as you can see, it responds really fast, and to be honest, maybe majority of the times you will not be really using the app. But let's talk about benefits and why I love this bulb. So first of all is the look. If you see a little bit closer, this bulb is not completely round. You have different types of faces. So something that I was a bit upset on my living room is that the bulbs, they look just like a normal bulb, and I really didn't like it. And if you have to have this bulb exposed, it looks much nicer than majority of the bulbs that you have on the market. The other big reason why I like this bulb is because it's super bright. So even if I put next next to my Melrose bulb, that is the brightest bulb that I tried until now, this goes even higher than the bulbs from Melrose. So definitely a plus for me, because I have this set it up on my living room and I want the maximum amount of light that is possible if I'm, for example, doing a dinner with some friends. And now let's talk about the main reason why I love this bulb. And even if it's a bit dark, you can see a bit the vibe that this lamp can deliver. And when you have other bulbs on the market, they are going just to do a blue, a yellow, or whatsoever. In here, I have the possibility to have a light that is constantly adjusting and changing from one color or to another. Or many times, like I have also on top of my sofa, I can have a color that is almost all the time the same, but slightly it changes. And that delivers like a bit of movement to my living room, if it makes sense. And that's something that I really like. And something that with other brands, other bulbs, even more expensive. If you think about it, this one cost me £25 and this one cost me $3 for $60. So if you think about it, this is more expensive and it can't deliver what this one can. So I have matter, I have thread, and that one I don't have even that, and is not even able to do this change between one color to another. And the options that you have on their app, they are endless. And it's very easy to just change the mood and obviously download them inside your bulb. And they are super fast, as you can see. So 1, 2, 3, I pressed, I changed to another one and it's already happening. And now it's this color that is much more purplish. And let me just see if I found another one that I really like. So this one is really cool, or this retro. I really like this retro look. And you can see it can change constantly from one color to another. What do you think about the Nanoleaf bulb? Let me know in the comments below. So when we go to the app, it's very simple. You have one of them is basic, so you can just change what is the saturation of your light, and now it's super bright. And let me just drop this down. You have the different scenes that you have multiple of them already installed, or you can basically go and search for popular ones or recent ones that was added. And man, they are always adding more and more designs, and it never finish. So if you are searching for something that you can completely change the mood and constantly adjust depending on the month, whatever is new, this bulb can deliver that to you also without a problem. What you can find more is obviously it'll show you if it's connected to Apple Home in this case, and you have more information. So it's much more basic than other products from Nanoleaf. Power loss recovery, also you can turn on that. So basically if you lose the power, you can turn on that. So if basically this bulb is been not working for a while and you turn it on once again, it will not lose the information or what was the last thing that you have set it up for this lamp. So something that I really like that you have available in there. You also have your favorites like you have with other products from Nanoleaf, so something that I really like also. But like I said, is a much more basic product, also much cheaper if you think about it. So yeah, this was my review of the Nanoleaf Bulbs Essentials. Let me know if it's this one is for you the best one that you have on the market, and which ones are you using at the moment. My name is Marco, this is madpack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.